Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to quickly show you I was testing my DJI Mini 4 Pro for following mode on. So I select my car as the subject, and when I start moving, the drone also started following me nice and slow, and I was gonna drive, and then all of a sudden I look at the screen and I'm like, whoa, that's not my car, it should not be following that car. So I stopped driving my car, parked it on the left, and I'm trying to hover the joystick, and then I know another car is approaching, so I put the camera remote aside, decided to park my car on the left, let that car pass nice and slow, so that once the other car is gone, so I can do my business in peace, because I don't want to lose my drone. So so I select my car again as a subject, making sure there's no other moving object in the screen. So now it has selected my car again, and I start driving off nice and slow, making sure it's doing its job the way it should be doing. And there you go, you can see it's following my car nicely, hovering over the car. That's it for today guys. If you want to see the final output video of this video clip, I've put in a link on this video so you can watch it from there. And if you want to see some more videos of DJI Mini 4 Pro, you can find a couple of them in my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like if you like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.